Hi everyone, thanks for joining. Today I'm going to be talking about how to update your front porch. Honestly, all this time I've kind of neglected my front porch because every time I get home, I park in the garage and I get into the house through the garage. I don't even look at the front door. So I was thinking about how to make a more welcoming spot for my home so that when visitors or friends come, it's just more attractive and a nice addition to the house. I've added some flowers, I bought some plants, I've used a few seeds that I planted 3 months ago. I've bought some battery operated candles, 2 candle lanterns that my better half spray painted to match the pots that I bought. So yesterday I worked on this and then it got super hot, so I had to put everything on hold. So today is the second day. I'm just finishing up with putting the mats down, and I've got one more pot, and then I will show you the end result. So I also am giving you a list of what I bought and where I purchased it from. I didn't spend a lot of money. I'm going to say probably about $70 total, which isn't bad. So, okay, I guess that is it. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm working on another video right now as well. I've got a few more additions that I need to do before it's done, and then hopefully I will show that to you soon. Okay, so I guess that's it. I will go ahead and show you the end result.